Transversal is our big ticket vocabulary word for this section. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar, means on the same plane, okay, lines at different points. So we have a line and we have another line. Okay, they're on the same plane, and I'm going to draw a transversal, okay, and we name that transversal T. Okay, so now as you notice, there are a bunch of angles we got going on, and we know the most prominent angles that we know are vertical angles. We know that this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, we know vertical angles, but now we are going to learn other kinds of angles. So corresponding angles are angles that have corresponding positions. So if we have this angle here, angle 2, this angle, angle 6, has a corresponding position, as well as this angle. If this was angle 1 and this was angle 5, that would have a corresponding position, okay? It is the same place on different parts of the line. Same place on two different lines, okay? So alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles are our next type of angle. Alternate being opposite and interior being on the inside. So opposite of the transversal, but on the inside of the two lines. So this is angle 4, and that corresponds to angle 5. They are alternates of one another, but they're on the inside of the line, okay? Also, angle 3 and angle 6, those are alternates on the inside, in between these two lines, versus alternate exterior angles, okay? Exterior means on the outside of the line. So if this is angle 1, this is angle 8, these two angles are alternates, but on the outside of the two lines. This is angle 2, this is angle 7 on the outside of the lines. So alternate interior, the red ones, alternate exterior, the blue angles, and they correspond. So it's important to say that 7 corresponds with 2. They're alternate, and 1 corresponds with 8. Okay, those are, for example, just like 3 and 6 and 4 and 5. The last type of pair of angles is consecutive interior angles. So that's angles that are not across from each other. So this is angle 3, and this is angle 5, and they're on the same side. So they're not alternate, they're consecutive. Okay, just like angle 4 and angle 6. They're consecutive interior. They're both on the inside, and they're on the same side as the transversal. Okay, so review corresponding angles. Okay, the same place when you cross the transversal on the lines. Okay, 2's in the same place as 6. Consecutive interior angles. Interior means inside. Okay, inside on the same side as the transversal. Okay, so inside between the two lines on the same side. Alternate interior angles. So alternate means opposite. Interior means on the inside. So these guys are opposites of one another. And alternate exterior meaning on the outside of the two lines. And these guys are opposites of one another. So now we're going to identify pairs of angles by the different types of angle pairs there are. So corresponding angles, we want angles that are in the same position. So angle 1 is in the same position as angle 5. So angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 2 is in the same position as angle 6. So we could say angle 2 and angle 6. We can also say 3 and 7, 4 and 8, but I'm not going to write all of those down. Okay. Alternate interior angles. Those are the angles on the inside, and they have to be alternate. So on the inside of these two lines, we have 2 and 7, angle 2 and angle 7. We also have angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, they're alternates of one another. They're across from each other. For our alternate exterior angles, we have 3 with 6, because 3 is on the opposite side of 6, on the outsides of the lines, not the insides, the outsides. And then we have angle 1 and angle 8. Okay, they're outside and opposites. Consecutive interior angles, so those are going to be our angles that are on the inside, on the same side as the transversal. We have angle 2 and angle 5. And on the inside, we have angle 4 and angle 7. All right, so when you're looking for the different pairs of lines, you're looking for lines, or you're going with these keywords will help you understand which pairs go together. And I put a visual on assignment 3 to help you practice putting the pairs together.